Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Khairuzan. So as of today, our group going to present the fundamental knowledge on the selected topic that needs to be acquired by professionals. We have select our team members consists of me, myself, going to present on leadership. Then Encik Sahir going to present on quality management, and last but not least Encik Arif going to present in regards to professional ethics. So let me begin with the leadership. Right, in regards to leadership, the fundamental knowledge about leadership that needs to be acquired by professionals. So what is actually leadership? Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. It's like having an organization which a mother tried to teach all of his child to achieve their own family goals. What is leadership? Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. It's like having an organization which all of the members of the organization itself, a leader need to lead their people to achieve a common goal. So what is the styles of leadership that a leader should have? Normally have, actually. The great leader, normally, there is 3 types of styles of leadership that normally a leader had, which is, first is authoritarian or autocratic, whether a participative or democratic, and last but not least a delegative or free range. From this, to be a great leader must have all these 3 important styles of leadership, which, as you can see in the middle of that, to be a great leader you must have all these 3 characteristics. So I'll go through more deeply to each styles of leadership. So firstly, the autocratic. Autocratic is the authoritarian leader makes decision alone, as power is centralized in just one person. No decisions are enforced using rewards and the fear of punishment. It is an abusive and unprofessional style called as bossing people around. Secondly, democratic. So the participative leader include one or more employees in the decision making process. Communication flow freely, suggestions are made in both directions, and the participation encourage member commitment to final decision. Lastly is the laissez-faire. The free rein leaders give power to subordinates. They delegates the power to subordinates to make the decision. However, the leader is still responsible for all the decision made. This is used when employees are able to analyze the situation. So for me, these 3 important things leader must have. For example, I'll give you an example. For example, autocratic. Sometimes we heard about just one people make decision, but at the end of the day, someone had to make decision. So for me, to be a group leader, you have to have a balanced styles of leadership. Next, coaching for impact, next level leadership. That's the first I have mentioned before, is the style of leadership that a leader should have. This one are more towards how to make a better impact. In order to have a better impact, being a greater leader, so you also have to have the professionalism, how to control your professionalism, how to control your people, and at the same time how to you pioneering your people. It is a whole good flow in order for you to achieve a common goal. Next, what does tomorrow's leader look like? As you can see in the previous slide, if you zoom in, applying and expertise, impact created through, for example, a professional, the impact created through maybe the way you manage people, the way your product or services are being made, the way you the expectation and reputation of your organization, or for example the people, how you control the people, how you control your people in your own organization, how to make a good teams, how to communicate well with your people. Next is pioneering, impact create through new products or material. You have your own vision, you have your own ways of doing great things, and in order to ensure your organization can grow. So actually what tomorrow's leaders would like, I would like to initiate here. In order to be a good professional with good skills of a leadership, this is the main four traits. I would call it as a four traits on the rise in order to ensure a leader can be born. You know, be part of the team, admitting mistakes, multi-sector experience, and female characteristics. As you know, now all people are fighting for a well equal balance, isn't it? A fair treatment between a man and a woman. You know, so to be a great leader now, these four main traits need to be acquired by a leader. So next, I'll go through by Jack Welch. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. You might be a great individual, but in other words, in order to be a great professional, you need to influence others. So you want to be a good leader. I summarize all of the traits that I had talking before, and I do it in a more picturized form so that it's much clearly can be seen. For example, the difference between a boss and a leader. Next, I would say boss drives employees, but leader coaches them. You know, boss depends on authority, but leaders on goodwill. Boss inspires fear, but leaders generate enthusiasm. Boss says I, but leader says we. Boss places blame for the breakdown, but leaders fix the background. Boss uses people, leader develops people. And boss takes credit, leader gives credits. And boss commands, leader asks. You know, and boss say go, leader say let's go. So now I'll pass to my second teammates to continue these presentations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to all. Okay, thank you to Razif just now that explain and present about leadership. Now I want to explain about the project quality management. What is the quality project management basically? So in my presentation, basically I cover a few topics, a few brief topics that I want to explain about quality management. First, I will explain about definition of quality. Second, what is the project quality management is all about. Thirdly, is about quality planning. And number 4 is about quality assurance. And next is about quality control. And next chapter is about project attribute that bear on quality and also cost of quality. So these are all the element of topic presentation that I will present to you all. Okay, first I want to explain about definition of quality. So definition of quality, if you are we read the definition, is about the totality of features and characteristics of a product or services that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or imply the needs. So basically it's meeting the conformance. So basically the main objective of the quality goal is actually to fitness for use, which is about capability of being used. Secondly, about fitness for purpose, meet its its intended purpose, where is it we can use the purpose of the item that we want to create or we produce. Thirdly, about customer certification lah. So when we produce or manufacture any product, so we want to ensure that it meet the customer certification. Lastly, about the conformance to the requirement lah. So all we stated about is about the meeting the requirement that already stated for the products or services that we are created. Next, about definition of quality. Definition is quality. We can define as a quality is not about the excellence, luxury, prestige or the grade. Quality is about the precision, consistency, that the value or repeated measurement that are clustered and have to little scatter. And next is about accuracy, correctness, that the measure value is very close to the true value. And next about customer certification, understanding, evaluating, defining, and also managing the expectations so that the customer requirements are met. And next about the prevention over inspection, which is we avoid the inspection, but cost of preventing mistake is generally much less than cost of the corrective. Next is about what is the quality management. The quality management process, we have about the quality planning and also quality assurance and also about the quality control. What is the quality planning? So the quality planning is basically the process of identifying the quality standard are equivalent to the process are determine how the certify them. So basically the quality planning is about quality is planned in, not expected in. So quality planning also discuss about the method use, and also the output will be output from the quality planning, which is we will have the quality management plan. So next is about the quality assurance. So quality assurance is basically the process of evaluating overall project performance on a regular basis to provide confidence that the project will satisfy the relevant quality standards. So basically the quality assurance output will be the quality improvement. So whereby the method used for the quality assurance is the quality planning tools and techniques, and also quality audit. Quality audit such example of the method used for the quality assurance. So next is about the quality control. So what is the quality control all about? Quality control is the process of monitoring specific project result to determine if they can comply with the relevant quality standard, and identifying way to eliminate causes of the unsatisfactory performance. So what is the input for the quality control? So the input include the work results, quality management plan, operational definition, and also the checklist. Checklist can be used as the input for the quality control. Whereby method can be used for the quality control is the inspection, control chart, Pareto diagram, statistical sampling, flow charting, and also trend analysis. Output will be the quality improvement, and about the any rework and also acceptance decision. So next is about the project attribute that bear on the quality. So there's a lot of the project attribute for the quality. So if you can see that the project attribute that bear on the quality, one of it is producibility, which is the technology required to produce the products. Usability, which is effort expended to use. Next will be the reliability, or we call it as MTBF. Next will be maintainability, mean time to repair, and also availability, probability of the